Hello everyone, welcome to Friday. I want to talk about game plan. We've been working for years on what to do in these downturns, and so I'll talk about what we've done so far and then what our game plan is going forward. Once the market started falling apart, we implemented our game plan. We reduced the exposure to stocks in all of our models by 5%. So 60% target would have gone back to 55. We added a treasury hedge, which has worked out well. It's gone up when the market's gone down for the most part. We increased large stocks with big cash positions that we think can take advantage of this downturn. And we've targeted three industries: healthcare, consumer staples, and software, that are holding up well in this downturn so far. We increased the amount of U.S. bonds in the portfolio and decreased the amount of foreign bonds. We also decreased small cap and mid cap stocks, decreased foreign large stocks, decreased, pretty much eliminated, emerging market stocks, and lower quality bonds. And of course we increased low volatility stocks. So all of that's already happened. You've seen all these transactions come through. So going forward now, it's fairly simple. If the market goes down farther, we will hold with what we've got. It's doing quite well in down markets. And if it gets bad enough, we will add to the hedge, further buffering the downside. If the market goes up, we will actually start to subtract from the hedge and slowly move back towards some of those other positions that we saw that were doing well. So I think it's important to have a game plan, and that game plan should be in place before we start. And we have been working since 2008 on what to do if there was another big downturn. And so that is where we're at the moment. I hope everybody has a great weekend, and we'll see what happens with next week. Be safe and be healthy, and thank you very much.